Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Fabulous Aniche. Alright, it's about CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission, Business Registration Tutorial. Alright, okay, so before I get into what I have for you today, I want to encourage you to encourage me. Alright, okay, if you enjoy my videos and they are really helpful, I want you to like it. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe to my channel so that I can, be gingered, be encouraged to do more videos. There's a lot of things to teach people about registering business, with CAC, and you can actually make money providing this service to other persons. I have a course, a detailed course where I train people on step by step, process on how to register business because I've been in this business for quite a long time. And I thought that, okay, let me teach people, because it's a fast earning skill, a skill that you can learn today and you make money from it tomorrow. All right. So, but that is, by the way, I'm not trying to sell the course because I had a lot of students already. So what I'm trying to do is that I want to do more here on YouTube. So I want encouragement. So encourage me with subscribing, commenting, liking, what I do, so that I will know that what I'm doing is useful to people, that people are benefiting, so that I can do more. Right. So in my previous video, I walked you through the new CAC platform, which is actually an exciting platform, okay, where you can do your public search, name reservation, pre-incorporation, and then post-incorporation. Post-incorporation is new. Okay, and there are quite a number of new stuff like EDM, electronic document management system, e-certificate, e-status report, advanced search, and the new company regulation, of 2021, CAMA 2021, these new updates. Okay, so if I'm encouraged, I'm going to be digging deep into all this step by step, and I can take it on myself to do it more like weekly or twice in a week. There's quite a lot, if I want to do training, if I want to releasing video about CAC, I can actually do that every day and still not answer everybody's questions because there's much to learn. So I want you to encourage me, subscribe. Okay, so let's get started to what I have for you today. All right, so yeah, I want to show you today's video. I want to show you how you can register an account because I discovered that a lot of persons want to do this thing by themselves without using accredited agent like us. Okay, so if you want to do that, you need to create an account. Okay, and to create an account is very simple. You can come down here, you can see. So this is CAC portal. You can see the link is pre.cac.gov.ng/home. Okay, or you can just Google CAC. From there you can get yourself here. All right, you can see accredited agents can register here. Then CAC website, you can go to the official website. Account creation, you can create your account here. All right, so each of these year and year, I think, can bring you to the same place. All right, so you can go here. All right. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm very sorry about that break in transmission. Okay, it was breakdown in network. Okay. All right, so you can see. So once you click on that register or create an account, okay, it will bring you here. You can see you can continue existing or query registration. It actually means that your registration can be queried, most especially when you are an accredited agent, when you are registering as an accredited agent. But if you're just a normal person, you want to register so that you can register a business name or something, you can come here, provide this information. All right, okay, just look at something. So please note this. Please select if you are an accredited agent. Okay, so if you got an accreditation and you want to register online, okay, you can click here. All right, so your accreditation details will be required. Let me do that first so you can see it. You can see, so you can see accredited agent type. So which type of an agent are you? Are you any member? Choose the member of organization you belong. So these are the organization that gets accreditation. The members of these organizations, Nigeria Bar Association and all that, they are the ones that get accreditation. All right, so accreditation is applied for with CAC in their office over there. All right, so if you're not just a normal person, okay, you can use the normal form, put your surname, your first name, your other name, your date of birth, your gender, your nationality, your phone number, and all confirm your email and all that. Put your address, your country, your state, your local government, your house number. Please follow this, very important. It's very important. Put your house number. Don't put one and you start putting street name. No, just put the number of your house, put the street name, put the town, put the postal code, then select your type of identification. So these are the identification that are allowed. Please take note, birth certificates are not allowed, so any other ones can be used. Okay, then put the number here and then click on register. So once you click on register, okay, you will get an email to that email you provided here. All right, you get an email so that you can verify your mail to make sure that you registered the correct mail. All right, so once you've done that, you can now log in. All right, so to log in, I'm already logged in. Okay, you can see to log in. All right, you come to your dashboard. So this is a new account. I've not done anything on this account, so I just did it because of this tutorial, so I can teach you how to do it. All right, so it's that simple. All right, so once you are done registering, you will get an email. You will verify that email and then you'll be asked to log in. Are you getting the concept? So it's that simple. All right, so thank you for joining me in this account creation tutorial. In the next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to reserve a business name. All right, so please subscribe to this channel. I'm still your friend Fabulous and Niche. See you in the next video. Bye.